Hi guys, this is Muskan and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I review products so you don't have to. Today I'm going to review for you a very popular concealer from Maybelline New York. It's called Instant Age Rewind Concealer. आजकल के ज़माने में किसकी ब्यूटी स्लीप कंप्लीट हो रही है? That's why we all need a good concealer in our lives. सच्ची बात बताऊं तो concealer should always be invisible in your makeup look. But it's the most important because it covers up our dark spots, our under eye circles. Come, let's take a closer look at this one. Maybelline New York के products trendy होने के साथ साथ cover a huge variety of makeup necessities. It started off as a small family-owned business in America and now it's a global phenomenon. Their products can be found in your purse and also a makeup artist's kit. आइए इसकी पैकेजिंग के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं. It comes in this beautiful glass container with a plastic cap. अब जैसे ही कैप को खोलेंगे, you'll be able to see the cushion applicator. The most fun part about the packaging is the twist up applicator. तो जैसे आप इसे twist up करने लगेंगे, you'll be able to see the product come through the cushion. That ensures that there's no wastage. The shade I have with me is 130 medium. इसका texture काफी creamy है, so it blends into your skin very easily and gives you a flawless finish. इसका coverage medium to high है, so you can build it up or not according to your need. आइए देखते हैं इसे apply कैसे किया जाता है. After applying foundation to your face, reach for this concealer from Maybelline. Twist the collar of the tube clockwise in the direction indicated by the arrows. Once you can see concealer on the cushion tip applicator, you can stop twisting. Hold the tube like a pen and apply it directly to the under eye area. I like to start off by applying it closer to my nose and then blending it outwards. I'm sure you're dying to know कि ये twist up applicator आखिर क्या difference create करता है. Well, it's extremely soft to touch and feels very gentle on your face. Apart from that, it makes sure that you take the right amount of product so there is no wastage. ये concealer आपकी dark circles के साथ साथ fine lines को भी cover करेगा. This concealer is infused with goji berry extracts. It also contains haloxyl that tries to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I definitely think that this concealer will be a great addition to your makeup kit. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.